Hi, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Today we are going to discuss about algebraic expressions, multiplication, addition, all the fundamental operations we are going to discuss. So suppose if you want to do addition of algebraic expressions, you should know how to do the addition of the algebraic expressions. I am taking here two algebraic terms 2x and 5x. So how to add the algebraic expressions? Suppose it is a monomial, it is also a monomial. Simply we can add 2x plus 5x is equal to how many? Actually if you see, this is the term is having the x variable and this term is also having the x variable. Simply you can write it is 7x. We can write x is the common term from these two terms. 2 plus 5 it is 7x. But if you take another term 2x and 5y. So how should be added actually? So these two terms are actually different terms are having the different variables. So you can write, suppose if you want to take any 6z term also. So how to add? Actually we are only writing, combining the terms of the different terms for writing purpose. It is adding plus. But how can we add? Means we have to add only like terms. Unlike terms should not be combined and should not be added. Now we can give the same example for the subtraction also. Okay. Suppose 5x minus 2x. Here x is the variable is common for these two terms. We are taking x is the common and we are taking out. And x into 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So 3x is the answer. So we can add a same type of terms, that is we can add the like terms. But if you take two algebraic terms like a binomial term, 5a plus 3b. Suppose I am taking addition of those two binomials, 2a minus 4b. How can we add the algebraic expressions if you are using binomial expressions? Means simply you can write the horizontal method. Horizontal method means we are writing all the like terms side by side. So here 5a is the term is there. In the same way you can have the other like term is 2a. So you are writing all the like terms first of all and next to all the remaining like terms having the variable changing. So here is the variable a. I am going to write the variable a terms and here is the quotient variable is the b. So I am writing 3b minus 4. So simply you can add the terms 5a plus 2a is actually 7a and 3b minus 4a. So it is a minus b. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So we can add the algebraic expressions. We can subtract the algebraic expressions in the same way. Now I am taking one more example of subtraction of binomial to binomial. So how can we write? First of all we have to write all the like terms having the variable a and next variable b. So here 12a is having the variable is a and we have also 6a. First of all you have to open the brackets. While you are doing the subtraction of any numbers we have to open all the brackets. So why? Because we are doing the subtraction here. So minus of 6a is always minus 6a and minus into minus it is plus 5b. Now we can add the like terms 12a minus 6a. I'm going to write separating the same type of variables. Okay. Minus 4b plus 5. Simply we can do in the same way what we have done in the algebraic expressions additions. So simply 12a minus 6a. 12 minus 6 is 6. Having the variable a constant. Coefficient is a here. Now I am going to write the sum of minus 4b plus 5b. So 5b is greater than minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1b. So this is the way we are going to do so many examples, algebraic expressions, addition and subtraction. Suppose you can take one more example 2a plus 3b, 5a minus 6b. This is also one of the method we can use column method, that is what vertical method. So in the previous method what we have done, actually we are writing all the like terms and the remaining like terms having the different variables. Here we are writing the column vertically and simply we can add the terms. So 2 plus 5, 7a. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3b. So this is also one of the method we are using in the algebraic expressions, addition and subtraction. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the multiplication of algebraic expressions. Here I have taken two monomials, 2x into 3x. How to do the multiplication of algebraic expressions? Simply, if you see, here is the 2x and 3x. First of all, you have to observe the numerical quotient. What is the numerical quotient is here 2, and what is the another numerical 3? Simply you multiply 2 into 3 is 6, and what are the variables is here same type, like terms, like variables. So simply you can write x into x. So 2 into 3 is 6, x square, x into x. So in the same way we can multiply with one more term and another more term. See, 2x into 3y, 2 into 3, 6, x into y should be always xy. Suppose you are observing this one, there is no symbol of multiplication symbol into in the product. Why? Because we are all using the 2 into 3 is 6 gives values. But when we are doing multiplication in the algebraic expression, you can write like this, 2x into 3x or 2x into 3x. Simply we can use the dot symbol and bracket symbol for our convenience. So this is the way we can multiply different times. 4x into 5z is equal to 4 into 5, 20xz. So this is what I am going to already given examples of monomial into monomial. Now we are going to discuss about a monomial into binomial. Okay. Here I have taken one monomial and a binomial. How to do the multiplication of a monomial and a binomial? This is the way we have to observe here. 2x is the monomial. First of all, I am going to multiply with 5x and next with 3y. So 2x into, this is the bracket, means it is giving the symbol of multiplication. 2x into 5x, and we have to write the plus symbol. Whatever we are already using the distributive law, a into b plus c, ab plus ac. Already we have used in the previous classes, integers, rational numbers. It's the same law here we are also using in the algebraic expressions. Now if you want to write in the brackets, it's very nice. Now 2x into 3y, the same should be multiplied with the another value. So again we get the same type of like terms. 2 into 5, 10 x square, plus 2 into 3, 6. X and y should be different terms. We can write xy. That's it. So this is the way horizontal method, and we can write by using vertical method also. We can do so many multiplications of algebraic expressions. And further classes we will discuss about how to use the algebraic expressions is a simple way by using the formulas. The next class we are going to discuss about the remaining algebraic identities. Okay. Thank you all.